Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by backing up every world file and resource pack. Do this off-device so you can restore if needed. Next, verify the beta version number because conversion rules change by version. Once verified, install the official or community converter tool and the latest Bedrock client. This ensures compatibility. You should also close running servers and clear temporary files. After these essentials, open the converter and load the beta world. This first actionable step begins the actual translation of assets and chunk data. You now perform the core translation. Run the chunk conversion and watch the log for errors or warnings so you can address them immediately. As chunks convert, map legacy blocks, entities, and commands to their Bedrock equivalents. This avoids broken mechanics later. Convert resource packs and rearrange file paths to Bedrock's folder layout and use automated scripts for bulk renames. If collisions occur, resolve them by prioritizing Bedrock conventions. Once done, validate a small test area to confirm behavior before full import. You finish by importing the converted world into the Bedrock client and immediately test key gameplay areas like redstone, mob spawns, and player builds. Make iterative fixes for physics differences and entity behavior. Adjust timers and command syntax where necessary. If you hit persistent corruption or unresolvable mapping errors, restore the backup and retry conversion with different settings. One key troubleshooting tip: inspect the converter log for the first error line, fixing that often resolves downstream failures.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.